नादिर अल तुर्क हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, डेप्यूटी हेड ऑफ मिशन है फलस्तीन के पाकिस्तान में। बहुत शुक्रिया एक्सेलेंसी, आपने हमें ज्वाइन किया। एक्सेलेंसी, हाउ यू सी दिस डिसीजन दैट द ICJ, International Court of Justice, has given with the directives to Israel to stop bombarding Rafah?
Thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to be your guest tonight. Actually, the Israelis' history since 1948 until now, they are not obey any kind of international resolution, not obey and respect an international law. They only accept the international resolution to establishing their own state over our stolen homeland in 1948. After that, they stopped follow any kind of international resolution, stop to obey or respect any resolution in favor of Palestinian and Palestinian people. We hope so this time, because as you know, this court actually was establishing in favor of the Jew after the genocide against the Jewish people was created by Nazi during the Second World War. And the genocide, it is the crimes against humanity, need to be obeyed, need to be, the order of the court need to be respected and accepted by all the nations, by all the countries. No one has the power to ignore it. But there is only one solution for Israelis to run away from this order if the Americans used veto in Security Council when this decision going to be for voting in the Security Council of United Nations.
This is an important point.
We hope so. The Americans understand once forever that their duties as a superpower country, as a member of the Security Council, not to supporting the crimes of the Israelis, not to support apartheid system, not supporting ethnic cleansing and genocide created by Israelis against the Palestinian people. Their duties is to keep security and peace for all the humanity. This is the rules of United Nations, and this is their duties as a member of Security Council. If they keep ignoring that, this is going to make all the world, all the nations stop obey, stop following the orders of the international law, and this is going to take humanity for mysterious future full of genocide, full of crimes, full of circles of blood, which will make
Thank you very much, Excellency.
Very bad future for
Thank you very much, Excellency, for joining me in the program. नादिर अल तुर्क, डेप्यूटी हेड ऑफ मिशन फलस्तीन, हमारे साथ मौजूद थे। एक बात याद रहे कि जेनोसाइड का आखिरी जो स्टेप होता है, 10 स्टेप्स होते हैं जेनोसाइड के, नस्लकुशी के, वो आखिरी स्टेप होता है डिनायल। और डिनायल हमें आ गया था 21 मई 2024 को बाइडेन की तरफ से, जब जो बाइडेन ने ये कहा था व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन गजा इज नॉट जेनोसाइड। प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका को कैसे समझाया जाए कि जो हो रहा है वो जेनोसाइड है। वाकई में अमेरिका को अपनी आंखें खोलनी पड़ेगी। इसी के साथ अनीका निसार को इजाजत दीजिए। अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज। नासिर।